Thank you all for stopping by. This is Desert Armory and More. We got ourselves here a Kalashnikov AK. Got ourselves some FMJ. These ones are Norma. And then we've got another one with some Wolf Steelies and a few others. We'll probably just shoot the small little Wolf Steelies here. Send her home. We won't hit the steel because I'm too close. I don't want any ricochets. And there we go. AK-47, 7.62x39. One of the best guns there are in the world. They can go through anything and still run. Anyways, thank you all for coming to Desert Armory and More. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope to see you all soon. Have a blessed day.